Hi, welcome to my latest video from Snowdonia National Park, where today I'll be going to the War Memorial at the top of Arenig Fawr. We'll see what we can get on the way. There we have lakes, waterfalls and the peak itself with fantastic views of 360 views of the Snowdonia National Park. I've noticed this wall which leads straight down in a great curve down to Arenig. I'll have a little bit of a look around here and share some images that I capture from this. As you can see, hopefully the sky is now starting to break, so that's all looking really good. And I'm accompanied by the sheep, so maybe I'll get a picture or two of the sheep as well. So I'm now down by the lakeside. I'm going to have a little look around, see what I can find. There's some really nice foreground rocks to capture within the image. There's a bit of contrast coming into the sky now and a little bit of texture within the sky, so that's starting to improve. And we've got the ripples across the water, kind of the waves, even though it's flat, we've kind of got the waves passing by. So I'm going to see what I can do with those as well. So we're at the top of the cliff face now, and our destination is over in the distance there. That's where the memorial is, on the peak of Arenig Fawr. So we'll be heading up that way, continuing our journey and just keeping an eye on the landscape. There's some fantastic ridge lines on the horizon, so I'm going to keep an eye on that and see if we can do something with that. The sun is starting to come out, so the sun colours, or the colours I should say, are now starting to really come out nicely. I do hope that you've enjoyed this walk in Snowdonia to Arenig Fawr, and also I really hope that you have enjoyed the photographs and maybe learnt something as well. Thank you very much for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I will see you again soon. Your support for this channel is very, very much appreciated.